me a favor and stop being scared of being you? You gotta lock in, bro. You for real gotta lock in. You know what's gonna happen if you don't lock in? It's work, 9 to 5, and all that BS. Wake up, go to work, go to sleep. And that's literally the majority of people, okay? And the minority of people are those who lock in, those who don't give a fuck. Those who don't give a fuck, man. Alright, what up, man? What up? I was live trading, no trades taken today. Why? Because simply for the fact that the price action was looking really good in the beginning, but then 10 a.m. Eastern time news hit and it totally ruined the price action. Look at this. Look at this. I was about to enter buys here, but news were getting too close, so I started to wait for that. As you can see, nice uptrend, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Boom, news came, ruined the price action. Look at this. Now it started to consolidate, so no trading today. And look at this, look at this. Why shouldn't you trade when there's consolidation? Because a consolidation is, look, consolidation when the price is moving sideways. Why don't you want to trade on when it moves sideways? Because consolidation is a form of a trend. And there's three kinds of trends: uptrend, downtrend, and consolidation. So what happens in a trend? Most likely it will continue the trend until there's a liquidity sweep or a news or another consolidation. Okay, that's how the trends move. Okay, most likely it will continue until something happens. Okay, as traders we have to always go with the odds, no matter what. Okay, no matter what. But yeah, man, super calm week so far. Only taken 2 trades this week. Currently profitable for the week as well, like super calm as usual, and like there's no need to stress about it if you cannot find a trade. Like we do not look for the trade. I just follow what the price is doing. Okay, it's simple as that, and that's how I make our money. Okay, that's why like most of the people do not know that, but once you know that, you do not have to look for the trade. You wait for the price to give it to you. Okay, you wait for the price to show it to you, and that's how you take a trade. But yeah, man, I'm just gonna record this video. I'm gonna inspire you, motivate you, watch till the end, because this will literally change the way you look at trading, etc. But yeah, man, I have a lot of value to give. And also about the value, if you want a free course, free Discord community, everything free, link in the description. But yeah, man, stay focused. But yeah, man, calm day. Now I'm gonna eat food and I'm gonna update you guys, okay? Alright, man, so I'm gonna go outside really soon. It's really good weather out there, and I'm gonna eat some food now and we'll see what's up. Okay, I'm gonna update you guys with the recordings, and yeah, man. But no trades taken today, and this is just the raw reality of a trader. Sometimes there's no trades and you need to accept that, okay? Some people cannot accept that, and me personally, when I used to not be profitable, I used to take dumb trades because I had fear of missing out. I wanted to trade, because when you take a trade, that's when you get the dopamine hit. Okay, it's like, bro, be patient. What the all right, man, so I'm out here chilling with this view. Pretty good, right? So that's what's up, bro. Can you do me a favor and stop being scared of being you? You see me out here, public place. Do I care what other people think me recording these videos? No, man, of course not. You know, I'm just bringing value. I'm just being me being real, me producing content. And I know some of y'all are scared to do that, and I know some of y'all are even scared to start trading because you're scared what your friends are gonna think, what your family is gonna think. Come on, man, you need to be realistic. What is the worst thing that can happen if they know that you're a trader? Man, you just focus on your goals. You want to achieve something in this life. It's your life, man, so you gotta just focus, okay? Just fuck what other people think. All right, man, so that was kind of quick. I'm gonna go home now. I came here just for a little walk, but yeah, man, you know how it goes. You gotta lock in, bro. You for real gotta lock in. You know what's gonna happen if you don't lock in? You know what's gonna happen if you don't lock in? It's work, 9 to 5, and all that BS. it's gonna be like you wake up, go to work, go to sleep, wake up, go to work, go to sleep. And that's literally the majority of people, okay? And the minority of people are those who lock in, those who don't give a fuck. Those who don't give a fuck, man. You feel me? But you know how it goes, bro. You know how it goes. Just lock in. Alright, man. So now I'm back home and I'm gonna go back to the topic what I was talking about just earlier. So you need to lock in. What does locking in means? Locking in means that you actually dedicate your life to something, to your goals, and at this, like, I'm talking about money, okay? I'm talking about money. You need to develop a skill that is really valuable, that creates and generates you money. My skill is trading. Okay, you need to develop a skill that will get, like, guarantee you a source of income. Okay, you can choose whatever you want, but I chose trading. Okay, I do trading nowadays. I teach it as well. But the thing here is, why am I saying you need to lock in? Because now it's a time that if you do not lock in, what is going to happen? Just like I mentioned earlier, you're gonna, be depressed, 9 to 5, etc., etc., and you're gonna live with regret. Because I was working, I used to be working at a summer job, way back, at a retirement place. There were a bunch of old people. I just saw the regret in their eyes, and I don't want you to go through that, okay? That's why you gotta lock in, okay? I do day trading, that's how I make my money. But now, I'm gonna tell you something I'm gonna read you something really depressing, what's gonna happen to you and the majority of people if you do not lock in. And actually, this is the blueprint to mediocrity, okay? This is the freaking slow lane roadmap, and this is not success, okay? Listen, this is from the book called The Millionaire Fast Lane, and this is the average roadmap, okay? This sounds hella depressing, and I'm gonna tell you because I'm gonna read this to you because to motivate you, okay? I don't want you to go through this, okay? So you go to college, you get good grades, graduate, get a good job, save 10% of your paycheck, invest in the stock market, low cost index fund, okay? And this is talking about like the long-term investing, like, oh, $200 in, you're gonna be a multi-millionaire. That's bullshit, okay? Regardless, that's bullshit, okay? Max out your credit cards, keep a frugal budget, then someday when you're 65 years old, or better, 55 years old, you're gonna be rich. If you're lucky, if you're not dead, if you're not fucking sick. That's the average roadmap to success, okay? That's fucking depressing. And I don't want you or me or anybody to go through that, okay? Because that is depressing as fuck. And this is why I'm telling you that you need to fucking lock in, find a skill, a valuable skill that will actually shape up your future, okay? And I'm talking about money. You need to make money, okay? For real. People say that, oh, don't be so materialistic, but bro, think. Money is something that this fucking society is made of, and you need money. Okay, you need money to live. You need money to have a roof on your head. You need your family needs money. Everybody needs money. Okay, that's how it goes. Okay, get realistic. You need to be realistic as soon as possible. I'm here to motivate you, and I'm here to teach you how you can make money from trading for free. If you want to join, the link should be in the description. Okay, in the description. But you can literally choose any kind of money making method or way. Look, there's no easy methods, okay? There's just hard work and pain, and then you get the money, okay? And I'm here to teach you that. I'm here to bring the reality, okay? You need to lock in. But yeah, man, that's the dating life. That was kind of raw. That was kind of real. So if you made it this far, comment down below if you like what you think about this video. Comment down below. I am locked in, and then I know you're actually serious about life, about your goals. And as usual, I'll see you on the other side. Peace out.